Hey guys, just want to do a quick video or tutorial on how to do or add hookups to a Shadow Walker's light pack def. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. Low, 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 low. This is gonna be a quick one. It's gonna be on YouTube, so if I go too quick, I apologize, but I just want to do it quick so that once it's on YouTube, you can go back and forth, pause it if you want, and or you can also comment if you are having a hard time. I have no problem answering questions. So we go to the mod dealer. Go here. So you see that we want flares right here, of course. But they're grayed out. So what we're going to do is to find the hookup or the accessory, you look right here. See how it says flare? Okay, so remember flare. I usually take a picture if I'm doing multiple hookups. It's like right here. Can't do anything. So we're going to do flare. So we're going to, or remember flare. We're going to exit. Now just go to Launchpad. If you go to Launchpad, it's still safe to edit files. So we go here, mod folder. We're going to already click this one. And it's already open. So once you open it, you open archive, go to def, vehicle, add on hookups. Then you're going to find marker lights. Marker. Click on that. Boom. Now this looks confusing. That's okay. So now we know that the accessory hookup is flare. So mine is very organized. Obviously you see it's in alphabetical order. So we're going to find FL. Let's just put it right here. So you go from right here to just right here. It don't matter. Control C. Then you're going to click right here. Enter. Control V. Go here. Now we're going to change the name. FARE. Flare. That's what it says. Now we're going to hook it up like that. Now you press exit. Save. Do you want to update the archive? Absolutely. Once it does that, we go to here. I should do it on fresh profile, so it's faster. JBX. So you go to truck dealers, mod, back to the record, right? Then you just go to here, accessories. Now here's the final moment. Boom. See, and now we can add markers all the way right. Add some bad boys right there. And you're shining like a diamond. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'll be happy to answer them. But all right. Have a good night.